Right, today it is Tuesday. We have a couple of days before the rally, and I got brand new brakes. I did the wheels up here, and I put this lip from the FG2. I figured I'd go ahead and take advantage of this time right now and do the brakes. I got the brakes ordered from AutoZone. I have lifetime warranty on the FG2, so the FG2 is passing its warranties over to me. I love it. And then I still got a box full of warranties that I need to go over, control arms and whatnot. But for now, we're just gonna do brakes and get these over with because it needs new pads up in the front and it needs new pads up in the rear. And while we're at it, we're gonna spray paint them yellow. We're gonna switch up our theme. I like it. And we're gonna start these off with a nice black. Oh, you know what? I got my rotors for the back. I'm gonna do the rotors too. Yes. I'm gonna do the rotors in the rear as well. These, I will not. So I just want to black out the rest. That's fine. That really don't matter, but whatever. And I just got off the phone with AutoZone, and yeah, I have the front rotors under warranty, so I'm gonna swap these bad boys out for the brand new gold Duralast rotors. And I just gotta get this bracket off, and I'll be able to swap out this rotor as well. Shit, yeah. Of course, these rear ones don't want to come out, so we gotta drill out that screw. And I knocked this fucking stud out. Too bad I don't have the replacement one to put it in there. Might just call AutoZone so we could just do that. But I got everything primered. Rotors. Here we go. Slap these rotors in the back. Shit, yeah. Goodbye, OEM. Hello, aftermarket. Yeah, baby. All right, and there it is. Looking nice. Heck yeah. I love it. Came out fresh. Came out so clean. Shit, yeah. I just wanted to see how it looks real quick. I think it would look fucking sick. Damn. Too bad I don't have the other two. Otherwise I would. So for now, stockies it is. That looks fucking good. Wow. Dang, and there it is. Looks pretty fucking good. Shoot, doggy. I don't have stickers for the rears, otherwise I'd do the rears as well, but the fronts will do. I love it. Woo! Coming together. And Antonio's car is getting out of here. He's gonna work at it at home already. My boy Franco's recovery. Recovered me from Yosemite, recovered this white 9-gen. Antonio's, Chris's. Who else?
This is kind of awkward. Take my car like this.
Mine a few times.
Yours a few times.
Alfredo's.
Alfredo's. Franco's recovery. Chris, we need to get him some stickers, man. Heck yeah. Alright, well, just got home and Frank was here helping my buddy get his SUV out of here. We're gonna go ahead and go to their house and help him out. Man, this came out so freaking good. I love it. Well, let's go get that sucker down. All right, today it is the next day and we are here at work. What I'm going to do real quick is I'm going to try to install this upper brace for the strut towers. I'm going to remove the wheels and spray them with Diamond Clear 1K clear coat so that way they pop. And then we're going to try to install the Dev Sports onto it and we will see how it looks. We got a lot of work ahead of us and only 1 hour to crunch. And that's it. Don't want to overdo it. Give it that protection. I really want to slap those wheels on. I just might, to be honest, on the front. I'm definitely gonna have to do that when I do the Brembo kit. Oh yeah, love it. Alright, so I left my drill in a car that I was working on, so we'll just move on to the next step. We're gonna take this cowl off, and then we'll remove those nuts from there. We'll put on the brace, mount it into place. I won't take this, well, I won't rock this anymore because that's gonna take place of that. And we won't need this anymore. I have my old one right here, as a matter of fact. Check it out. There's two of them. Nice. Onto the brace. Alright, and I just wiped this down real quick, hit it with a little wire brush. And it looks like we have a lot of adjustability over here. Nice. I love it. Alright, well, let me get these mounted. We'll get this process going. Sweet, and there it is. I'm actually going to paint the cowl. I might not even put the cowl, but I am going to paint the wipers as well. I'll put the corner little cowl things. I'm going to wipe that down. And I got my drill, so I'm going to hurry up and put these on. Hopefully I can finish. Oh yeah, that shit looks fucking good. Well, it don't hit, so that's a good thing. Wonder how it's going to be when the suspension settles. All right, today it is Thursday, December 11th. The rally is in a couple of days, and what I'm gonna do is I'm loading another tune. I've been wanting to learn how to tune the vehicle itself, so I'm gonna start messing with the calibrations. Right now it has a cold air intake race calibration on there. I'm throwing a MAF calibration, and I'm allowing it to detect open wide throttle through map. Yeah, I know. I said some stupid lingo, but I understand what I'm saying. So we're going to do a data log off of this one here. And then we'll see how this plays out. I'm going to do some changes on the table after the data log. And we will see how it goes from there. My oil life is at 0%. That shit's funny. It was just at 100. Let's see, let's try the two-step. That's launch control. And then two-step.